Hello and welcome to Posting in WordPress, Part 2 in the ongoing series of WordPress video tutorials on riffraffree.com. This week we'll demonstrate how to create and manage posts using the WordPress Content Manager. WordPress has a very powerful content manager that allows you to create blog posts or customer updates, as well as full web pages, very much the same way that you would create a document in Microsoft Word. So here we are at chrismontez.com. In part 1, getting started with WordPress, we learned how to set up and install WordPress using the one-click install method as well as the 5-minute installation method. And this was the blog that we set up with the one-click install method. So first let's just get acquainted with the front end of the blog. Here we have the home page. So here we see the first post that WordPress automatically creates for you when you install WordPress. And it's really just an example of what a post will look like. They've also left you an example comment. Now of course once we launch the site live, we don't want our users to see this post, so what we'll do in a little bit is go through the back end and delete it. There's also been a page created, it's the About page. And again, it's just an example of what a page will look like. So in order to start editing and utilizing the content management system, let's click Login. And if you don't want to have a link on your home page, you can actually just type in directly your blog's domain /wp-admin, and that'll get you to this same page. So let's type in our username and password. And if you remember last time, we made sure and changed the password to something that would be really easy to remember. Now that we're in, let's first take a look at the dashboard, and that's the first page that shows up once you log in. The first box you see is the Right Now box. On the left side you get a rundown of all the content that you've created, and on the right side you get a rundown of the discussion. So how many comments, how many have been approved, how many are pending moderation, and how many have been tagged as spam. You'll also receive an indication in this box anytime you receive new comments. The incoming links box will search through the internet and find any incoming links posted on other people's blogs. On the bottom you have the plugin box, as well as a few other boxes that just kind of keep you connected with WordPress. If you're not interested in that, you can actually just click this little arrow and it'll shrink it down. And in order to delete boxes, you just click Screen Options and uncheck the boxes you don't want to have. And then if you want, you can move boxes around by just dragging them. And let's say we want this here, but we don't want to look at it all the time. So that's the dashboard. Finally, there's a quick press box that allows you to post quick updates. It doesn't have as many options as the Add Post page, but if you just want to make a quick update, it makes it really easy to do it from there. So in our Right Now box, it says we have one post, and that's the Hello World posts that WordPress automatically puts on. We can also go to the Posts tab and just click it, and that'll show the new post that we just created as well as the Hello World post. So to delete a post, you just hover over the row and navigate to delete, click it, and it's gone. It's also deleted any comments associated with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the quick update we just made. As you can see, that showed up on the home page, and now that we've deleted the other posts, it's not there anymore. If we click on that, we can leave a comment, And now let's go back to the back end to moderate this comment. Clicking that pencil with the piece of paper will actually allow you to edit the comment. So in case you want to change anything about the comment, you can go through and do that. You can also unapprove it if you just don't want it to show. You can put it in the spam box, and that'll just take it away. If you want to look at what is in the spam box, you click spam here at the top. And now that we've decided it's spam, let's just blow it away. And you click delete, it's gone. So back to our post, a quick update. If we want to edit this post, we can either click directly on it. We can also click quick edit, and this will allow us to change some pretty basic options. We don't actually get to change the content of the post here. In order to do that, you have to go to the edit post page. For now, let's just delete this post. So let's say we want to create a new post. We just click add new. So this is our add new post page. The first line here is for the title. If you remember in part 1, we set up the permalinks to use the category as the first folder in the URL, and then the post name as the second. Whatever you type in this box will also become the post name. So you want to make sure your titles are short but descriptive enough to increase your search engine optimization. So let's say we want to write a post about RSS feeds. Now the next box down is the content editor. First on the top, we can upload and insert different types of media. So let's say we want to upload a picture. Since it's about RSS feeds, let's select some RSS icons. Once they get uploaded, you can look at each individual one and see which one you want. So I like this blue one, I'll use this one. Now I can select different alignments as well as different sizes of the image. For now, 300 by 300 works well. So we'll insert that into the post. Now on this bar we have different options. We can make our text bold, italic, put a strike through it. We can also create unordered or ordered lists. And you can create block quotes just in case you're quoting a large section of text. You have your different alignments. The next boxes are for links. And whether you want it to pop open to a new window or a link directly within the same window. You can also give it a title. This is if a user hovers over the link, the little box with the title will pop up with whatever it is you put into this box. So we'll insert that link. In order to get rid of it, you can click unlink.